When it comes to your Subaru, no one knows it better than our factory-trained technicians. That's because they have completed an extensive Subaru training curriculum to earn factory certification and understand the specific components and technologies that are unique to all Subaru vehicles. They also use specialized tools and genuine Subaru parts to help maintain the safety and performance of your vehicle. All of this helps ensure that maintenance and repairs are done in the best way, the right way. Staying up to date with your Subaru's scheduled maintenance intervals is the best way to help keep your vehicle safely performing the way it should. These intervals were carefully determined by Subaru engineers to let you know the mileage or time when certain parts should be inspected or replaced. Common services involved include things like oil changes, tire rotations, filter replacements, and inspections of various parts. You can find your vehicle's complete maintenance schedule by looking in your warranty and maintenance booklet, or see when your next service is due by checking your My Subaru account. And if you're not sure, you can always ask us. We're here to help. Make it last. Did this light appear on your dash? It's the check engine light, and it's important to pay attention to. This might indicate something as simple as a loose gas cap, but a flashing check engine light could be a sign of something serious like a failed sensor or engine misfire. If that's the case, it's time to see us immediately. Our factory-trained teams will use specialized tools and diagnostic equipment to find the source of the problem and determine what repair is needed to get your Subaru running at its best. We're here to help. Like any vehicle, your Subaru will require regular maintenance and occasional repairs. But unlike the rest, yours has a uniquely engineered boxer engine and a symmetrical all-wheel drive system. This is why our teams who work on them are factory-trained. This means they've received hands-on training from highly advanced Subaru technical instructors and know every Subaru inside and out. They use specialized tools to help ensure accurate diagnosis and repair, replace worn components with genuine Subaru parts for proven fit and performance, and they'll check to make sure everything's performing at its best with a free multi-point inspection at each visit. So why trust any other shop with your Subaru? Come see us for the expertise it deserves. We're here to help. Make it last.